Hey y'all, it's your girl Mocha, and if you're watching this video, that means you got an invite to the car show and fireworks. Let's get it. As a photographer, the best thing to have on standby is a model, a beautiful model who's always ready. And make sure you check out her Instagram info. I'm definitely gonna post it. Alright, check this out. That's a nice car and all, but at this moment, my dumbass made a decision that my girlfriend had to save my life. Look at them stupid ass banisters right there. See them containers? Yeah. So I decided to get a cute view of her, right? She was looking away. She saved my life at the last minute. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look how close I was. Boom. What? What car y'all think I'm going to?
Come here. Hello. Oh, y'all thought I was going to this one.
I can't even see myself getting in it. It's so low.
So low.
It's winter time. We're not driving either.
Are we driving this one?
I'm the winner.
All year round. Right? It's my favorite color. Yeah.
It's hard.
It got eyeballs. I'm about to get hit by a golf cart. It's changing colors. This is cool. Her energy rises. Hey, look at the name of it. You see the name?
I said her energy rises. I said hard.
I like you play guitar. All right.
Now, if you know me, you know I love chargers. So that's what I was trying to say, chargers. I was trying to run to that motherfucker. Run. When I say run,
Never gonna let the
she
full
snatched
circle.
me
God,
up at the
we
last minute and said, spin around, bitch. We're going to go in the straight line.
Oh man, that's successful.
When I tell you, no matter where we go, we bring a gathering. That's ridiculous. Y'all just seen how clear that was when I did that little circle. Stop playing.
Knows I love you so much. I do this one, and I do that one. I don't know if I do this one though. Oh, yeah, go in your yellow mesh brakes. Don't touch it. Hot stuff, baby. What is this gonna be? Is it a, do they still use it as a racetrack? Okay. I like that too. Strong arm you like Doja. Don't play with me cause I fold ya. What you say, rural like Hoja.
Commercial! Thank you for watching. Follow me on TikTok.
I love it. Sunny.
Sun is sunny. And the wind is winding.
Yeah, something just, I think my neck just got sliced off my ear, in my hair. That blue is popping. They low-key making this workout, y'all. We going around. This made me go off my zigzag course vision. I know what I want to see.
Bam! And just like that, you get what you asked for. Look at me,
Oh,
like,
this is a free video. She gonna tell you. Playing. Where he at? Playing. Go stand next to that. Let me see how you look. This Jeep. Yes. I see us on Sundays riding with the Jeep crew.
I want it so bad.
Okay, y'all, so bet, yes, I live in Metro Detroit. So if you know anybody that's in a girls' Jeep crew, my bad, women's Jeep crew that ride out on Sundays, let me know because I'm trying to gift them a photo shoot, a video shoot, whatever. I just love it. I embrace it. I used to have a Jeep and it hurt so bad that I can't. And I ain't got it no more.
I'm gonna say, is it?
Okay, y'all, so we ended up standing in line at the food trucks to get some food, but I can't remember for the life of me what we got. Okay, maybe it's some chicken tenders and fries or something, like, I don't know, but I can't remember. But just watch us cheer, or me cheer, whatever. Okay, so I made a mistake and edited it out, but that gray car right there got nose piercings, y'all, and that shit lit as hell. Now, I'm gonna let y'all know ahead of time, one thing I'm gonna do is publicly embarrass myself over a charger, baby.
Somebody can't drive. Oh, it's changing colors. Y'all ain't no real game.
Okay, so period. It was a group of kids with their vapes or whatever. We thought they was gang, and you know what I'm saying. Would have had a lighter because we was trying to, do what our, you know what I'm saying. And long story short, they had nothing. Y'all, it took so much in me not to squeal for these chargers right in front of me. Like, forget that private party. Show them love first before anything, okay? Period.
Yep. Oh, that's dope. I didn't even see that.
Do y'all see that motherfucking orgasm on wheels? Yeah.
Motor City J. You look like a transformer. Who talks to the cars?
Sure in the fuck do. Oops. Snap. Sure do. Yeah, sure do.
Green is calling me. His name is Beast Boy.
And there you have it. I also named cars. You guys have made it through part 1 of the car show. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm having a giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. Send this to a friend, and I'll tell you more about the giveaway in part 2. Ring that bell, ring that bell, ring that bell.